Hey guys, it's Alessia. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be walking you guys through a productive day in my life. Obviously, the first thing I do is check my phone, and eventually I get up from bed. I always start my day by playing music, and if you want to go follow my Spotify, my username is alessyafarrugia. Next, I make my bed because it's a productive day and I need to start it off being productive, you know? Before I do my morning skincare, I just brush my teeth. Okay, it's skincare time. First, we're gonna wash our face with this bad boy right here. Today I'm going to be finishing off my skincare using products from the brand Tree. Okay guys, so Tree is a Korean skincare brand that basically preserves natural beauty through the genuine ingredients in their natural skincare products. There are no pernicious ingredients. The ingredients are all natural. The products are great quality. They're set at a proper price for everything they have to offer. They are free from animal testing, and they never fail to satisfy customers, including me. I'm going to be using these in the order that I would normally do my skincare in, so let's get into it. This is the real Mugwort clay mask, part of the Applying Mask line. This is a clay mask that causes extremely powerful absorption that treats sebum and dead skin cells. This clay mask not only dissolves sebum and impurities, but it also replenishes moisture. It also soothes irritated skin and restores the damaged skin barrier. It also treats goose flesh and pores on the back, chest, forearm, and face. If you're wondering if this is for you, this is perfect for those who want moisture that locks into your skin all day. By the way, the application of this was so smooth. This is to be left on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinsed with lukewarm water. Okay, time to wash it off. My skin looks and feels so good right now. Wow. Next we have the Green Tea Fresh Toner, part of the Green Tea Fresh line. This is a balancing toner with green tea extract from Jeju Island. Really bougie. Okay, basically, this toner balances oil and moisture, meaning that it treats excessive sebum while leaving your skin moisturized at the same time. It also gets rid of anything that cleansing couldn't get rid of. If you're wondering if this is for you, this toner is perfect for oily skin with excessive sebum. Little side note, while putting this on, my skin felt amazing. Look at my skin right now. I'm actually in shock. This is the Clear Skin 8% AHA Essence, part of the Clear Skin line. Okay guys, this is a really powerful exfoliating essence with 8% AHA. This basically removes dead skin cells, but it also moisturizes your skin at the same time. It also soothes sensitive or irritated skin. If you're wondering if this is for you, this exfoliating essence is perfect for dry to combination skin. Start using it 2 to 3 times a week and then gradually increase the frequency as your skin adapts to it. Guys, look at my skin right now. Wow. Next we have the Tone and Wrinkle Real Bifida Ampule, part of the Functional Cosmetics line. This is a tone and wrinkle double care ampule that contains high concentrated bifida. Okay, so this ampule is oil-free and really easy on your skin. It strengthens damaged skin barriers, protects skin from dryness, and promotes circulation, which improves elasticity. If you're wondering if this is for you, this ampule is perfect for dull skin with excess dead skin cells. This is to be used after cleansing and toning. Last but not least, we have the Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel, part of the Hyaluronic Acid line. This is a gentle sunscreen with long-lasting moisture and 8 types of hyaluronic acid. This sunscreen has a moist, soft, and transparent application, meaning no white cast. It not only replenishes and locks in moisture, but it also has a cooling effect on your skin. If you're wondering if this is for you, this sunscreen is perfect for those who are concerned about strong UV rays and if you want to add sunscreen when retouching makeup. I think this is the best sunscreen I've ever tried in my life. I also used this as my moisturizer. There's no white cast, at all. My skin just looks glowy. Okay, you can literally see for yourself how good this brand is, because wow. I'm gonna link their website in the description below, so go check that out. Anyway, I just finished my skincare off with some chapstick. I love this chapstick so much. It's Mint from EOS. Okay, and we are done skincare. Okay, now it's time for breakfast. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a healthy smoothie bowl. I love these so much. To make the actual smoothie, I blended up almond milk, protein powder, half an avocado, a tablespoon of chia and flax seeds, collagen powder, and frozen fruit. And today I'm topping it off with strawberries, coconut, chia seeds, and almonds. Next, I'm just making lemon water to go with this because it's a great detox for your body. Okay, so this morning you guys can eat with me. I really hate when people watch me eat, but will I end up publishing this on YouTube? Yes. While I eat, I also go on my phone, check my socials, answer texts. You know the vibe. After I'm done eating, I go into my room and pick out some workout clothes and get changed. It was really nice outside, so I decided to do my workout outside, and my dog was attached to my hip the whole time. But today I am working out my booty, specifically my own 10-minute booty workout, which is posted on my YouTube. I will link it in the description below. See, normally I take a nap after this, but this is a productive video, so. Next, I just take a quick shower. Next, I get ready to continue with the rest of my day, so I do my skincare again since I showered. I change, I do my hair and makeup. I have my full skincare, hair, and makeup routines posted, so I will link those down below in the description. We're back in the kitchen to make a healthy lunch. Today I'm making a chickpea tuna salad and I'm just adding lime, salt, and pepper. I'd recommend using tuna that's in olive oil or else the salad's gonna be pretty dry. Before I eat, I'm going out to Starbucks. When I said healthy lunch, I didn't fully mean the drink, okay? I got a grande iced latte with almond milk, toffee nut syrup, vanilla sweet cream, cold foam, and caramel drizzle. Since we're being productive, I may as well clean my room. I've said in one of my other videos how important it is to keep your space clean because when you spend your time in it, you'll just be happier overall. So personally, I always like to keep my room clean. Next, it's the boring part, at least for me. Now is my time to catch up on schoolwork, promotions, or any editing that I have to do. For dinner, I am making penne alla vodka without the vodka. I'm starting off by frying onions, garlic, and olive oil in a pan. Next, I'm adding pancetta. I'm adding salt, pepper, chili flakes, and herbs. Next, I'm pouring in the tomato sauce and soon the cream. I boiled water on the side, which I put the pasta in. The sauce and pasta are done, so I'm straining the pasta and mixing them together. Can we take a moment? Like, I'm actually a chef. Okay, now it's time to get unready, so I'm just changing, taking off my makeup, doing the same skincare as this morning, and brushing my teeth. My favorite part of the day, free time. So I'm just making popcorn and green tea. Look how cute my frickin' cup is. I love it. Now I'm just chilling in my bed watching a movie with my popcorn and green tea. And soon enough, I fall asleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, click the bell to get notified every time I post, comment down below what videos you want to see from me next, and I love you guys.